cabañitas donde nos quedamos, la playita, el fucking invierno que ya viene de puta. Nadie lo quiere, pero tenemos que esperar por el próximo verano. That fucking place is fucked up, really, trust me. You need to stay here for you look that it's fucked up, that's it. It's fucking beautiful, look it. Look at that. Look at that.